Hello, my name is Matthew Dworak. Today we're going to be talking about marginal analysis of an oil pipeline. Um, this presentation will review the marginal costs and opportunity costs, marginal benefits of building a pipeline from Canada to New Orleans, LA. It will identify the risk of building the pipeline is not cost effective in the return. Background information, proposed oil pipeline reaching from New Orleans to LA to Canada. Comparison expects returns of stocks of 10% over the next 10 years. Expect profits from initial investments of 8% after 10 years. A marginal benefit is the activity's overall benefit that is caused by a unit's increase in the level activity. All other factors remain consistent. An example of the customer is willing to pay $2 for a hamburger. The marginal benefit of consuming a hamburger is also $2. Some of these benefits include a larger return in the investment of 8% of the larger investment of the original project. The opportunities of stock options may become available, which would prevent heavy debt. Lastly, adding jobs to the oil industry with higher than average wages is a huge benefit. Marginal costs may consist of many different things such as labor and material costs. A good example of marginal costs would be the total cost of producing one clipboard for $3 and the total cost of producing two clipboards is $6. Then the marginal cost of expanding the output by one unit to two is $3. Some of these costs may be getting the special permits from the pipeline, getting regulations cleared through government officials, or acquiring land to build the project. Additionally, acquisition of materials and machinery to build such a large project would have to be considered when adjusting for costs. Opportunity cost is a benefit, profit, or value of something that must be given up to acquire or achieve something else. For example, if you spend time at the mall this afternoon with your friends, you cannot spend that same time at home studying for college finals or on something else. Many of these costs consist of getting permits, passing regulations, dealing with environmental groups, and preventing the deterioration of the environment. After reviewing the benefits versus the opportunities and the marginal costs of this investment of the pipeline, I would highly have to recommend that we do not invest in this project. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.